Hello, my name is Dennis from DIMATE. I'm responsible for the UT development, and today I want to show you our new Gateway app that gets your inspection paperless. So, how does it work? First, you have your IDMS system, which holds the complete inspection data, and then in the middle you have the DIMATE PACS. This is the digital archive, and all inspection scope data or the inspection orders were transferred to the DIMATE PACS. And then you have our new Gateway app that runs on a smartphone device or a rough device in the field that close the gap between the digital archive and the thickness gauges that have very proprietary interfaces. After the measurement, or with the UT device app, you collect the measurement data in the field. After that, all the data will be sent back to the PACS system, and the PACS system is also able to send all measurement data back to the IDMS system. Okay, and now let's see what are the functionality of the app that we have developed. First, of course, I have to log in. I get a list of the inspections which were assigned to me. In this case, we have 6, for example, and if I choose another user, the list is a little bit longer. Then you can view some details of this inspection order. You have the order number, the component ID, the TML, thickness monitoring location IDs and keys, the number of measurements, and so on. So these informations are necessary for the archiving. In our example, we select this order. We have an elbow in this case. On the second page, you see some photos or some drawings, maybe where the measurement location is, or where the inspector could find the right location on the isometric drawing. On the next screen, you have the configuration matrix for this part here. In our example, we have an elbow. These are the measurement spots and the configuration table with the points. Maybe if it is some other part, the configuration matrix looks different. This is complete configurable and customizable to your situation. On the last page, we have the connector to the thickness gauge. So after transferring the configuration to the measurement device, we go to the Explorer of the thickness gauge. And you see here some previous measurements, but let's open our configuration here, 0909 in our example. And connect to the device again. And in the app, you see some information about the thickness gauge, like the serial number and things like that. And on the device, you see here in a different way, but you see exactly the same table, the configuration table, and the measurement locations that were here also shown in the app itself. And now we can start to do some measurements. And what you see directly after a while, that the measurement values were transferred from the device directly to the app. And you see here all the measurement points that were done also with the device. I stopped that here now because there are a lot of points, but I think 4 measurements are enough for demonstration. What you see here is that we also have some detailed information about the measurement. For example, also the A-scan data. You can also edit the measured value and change it, for example, if there is something wrong, or if you have a device that have not a wireless connection to receive the measurement data, you can fill out this table manually. What you also can do is to add some comment if a point is not possible to measure. So you can skip some points and add some comments. So at the end, when I'm finished with all the measurements, I can simulate this here in a demo mode. So all the measured value were filled with some random measurement values. I go back to the order, and here I have a page to fill out some information about the inspection order itself. You also see again some information about the thickness gauge, like the serial number, the type, the name and the serial number and the probe name. And then I can select some different information which were necessary for the detailed report. For example, the surface, I can say, I can define a co-inspector. In some cases, the temperature of the surface should be documented and the serial number of the thermometer, what kind of calibration block I used, and also some other random comments. And at the end, with all measured values, I send the complete inspection order to the PACS system, and you see that the archiving is finished now. And what is in the PACS, we see that on the next screen. So what's now in the PACS archive? Let's go back to the viewer. The system have received these measurements. On the first side, we have a screenshot of the user interface of the app, so you see the measured value again. But what is important here, that we have it's called DICONDI structured report object, and this is an object that contains all the information digitally that were collected during the measurement, and these information are necessary for the back transfer to the IDMS system. Thank you for watching this video. That was the demonstration of our new UT Gateway app. I hope you got an overview of the things that are possible and how to become paperless. If you have further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.